Hey folks, Mr. McStache, and I am with Mrs. McStache, my one and only ride and die and all that good stuff. But we are going to do a giveaway, so stick around till the end to find out how to get the giveaway, because there's some really important information we want to give to you. We're going to need your help with some of this stuff, with a lot of this stuff, with this whole thing.
Yes.
We're going to need your help. But how much you help is, I don't know, up to you, I guess. But as much as you can, we're begging. I don't know.
Oh, you didn't know?
We have set out to do a ride that's going to encompass 22 states in 22 days.
We've been planning this, planning to do this for about a year now, year and a half now.
I want to say we've talked about it longer than that.
Might be
But
2 years.
we've started in the process. Mrs. McStache has a folder here that she's filing all her paperwork and everything in. We have a tentative route. I'll put a map up here give you an idea of where we're going.
And along with the list of the 22 states.
I will put the 22, that's the 22 states. I will probably put up a list of the cities we tentatively, now that is tentatively, if we can travel another 15 minutes or 20 minutes or half hour, an hour to get to a dealership, we'll do that. We're planning to stop at a dealership, be it Harley, Indian. So all you Indian guys, listen up. Honda, we're not opposed to stopping at any dealership, but we want to stop at a dealership in each state, allow people to join us or leave us. For instance, our first stop is going to be Lansing, Michigan. Is that?
That's the area that we're looking at.
The area that we're looking at is Lansing, Michigan. So in Lansing, Michigan,
we're currently working in conversation with Full Throttle.
Okay, yeah, we're Full Throttle Motorsports. We're currently in, but what I'm expecting is when I get to Michigan, spend the night, and then in the morning we will meet at Full Throttle, and I expect to see Bodine 52 there. I expect to see Junkyard Dadsky there, I'm calling these guys out because I think they're good enough friends that if they can't make it, I'm not going to hate them, but they're good enough. I can pick on them a little bit, but see them there, and then them ride with us to South Bend, Indiana. I believe South Bend, Indiana is what.
Yep.
No, yeah,
Yep.
South Bend, Indiana, ish area. We don't have anybody
yet in that area.
No, we don't have anybody talking to in that area. So, if you know one of the dealerships in South Bend, Indiana, and you got a good reputation with them, you say, hey, we got some people coming through. It's good calls.
Give them our contact information.
Yes, you can give them our contact information, or you can hit us up at this email here. We have a special email for it.
And we're currently working on website.
We are hoping to put together a website. So if you have an insight on a hosting company, a domain name company, somebody you trust, somebody you've used, let me know. We could use some help with that. We are rookies at all this stuff.
Building our own website. We're rookies at building our own website.
And we've planned a few rides,
yes.
But this is quite a bit bigger than anything we've done before.
So we're doing this ride, and it's riding 22 states in 22 days because we're bringing awareness to the veteran suicide rate. The average number of veterans that commit suicide a day is 22. And so our ride is going to be to raise money, and we have decided to donate all of our funds to an organization called S.T.R.I.V.E. You can see that right here. We'll put a link to their website as well. And not only do they fly in, put them in a hotel, the veterans, and work with them to get them healthy. but they also do that with family members of veterans. And their current success rate is
72%.
72%, which is really good.
And they're not happy with that.
Yeah.
They said they're shooting for an 80 to 85 next year.
Yes.
So, I mean, you talk about somebody who's in this for what it is, that they are serious about this.
And everything, none of our expenses of where we stay or our gas or any of that, none of our expenses are coming out of the money that we raise for S.T.R.I.V.E. We're going to cover all of our own expenses. You know, being the wife of a 100% disabled veteran who does have PTSD and TBI, and if you don't live that life, you may not understand. And knowing some of the struggles that we go through, I can't imagine someone trying to go through this without any support. But there are lots of veterans out there who are trying to maneuver through this on their own. So our goal is to raise $22,000.
It's only $1,000 a state now, so I mean, it may sound like a big number, but it's not.
But we know that we can do that.
Yes.
We're going to have T-shirts for sale. We're going to have donation boxes. You're going to be able to donate directly to S.T.R.I.V.E. As a part of our ride. So if you're not going to be in the area of one of our stops and you still want to donate, we're going to have a link that you'll be able to donate, and the money will go directly to S.T.R.I.V.E. So this is very near and dear to both of our hearts.
I don't put it out there much about my issues, if you
Struggles.
would call them that.
Struggles.
Yeah, struggles. There's a few people who are close to me. You've seen me with Road Glide Andy. You've seen me spend a lot of time with
Jarvis Biker,
Doyle, and D.A. Bishop, and
Mike.
Some of them have seen the little things that I keep covered up that you wouldn't notice. We're just going to the grocery store. Why are you putting in the GPS? Well, that's something I need to do to keep me on track. And it's not, I mean, it's not something you brag about. It's obviously not a bragging point, but it is a reality that some of us have to face it. Even going, I don't know, what is it, 20 miles, 20 minutes to the grocery store, you need help with. But I digress. I don't want to make it a poor me thing. But so that's why we're setting this up. That's why we're doing it, because it is dear to our heart.
Let's give them some dates.
Oh, okay. Yes. Yeah, let's give them some dates.
So we will be leaving Columbus. Our first stop will be in Columbus on Friday, May the 23rd. And then our final stop will be back in Columbus again, and that will be on June 14th. And we just hope as many people as possible. If you want to join us for the whole ride, that's awesome. Again, it's going to be 22 days. If you can only join us for a portion of the ride, that's great too. Everything that we're doing is to bring awareness to our veterans and the suicide rate.
It's an open ride. It's not we're not going to have escorts or anything like that. It's an open ride.
Unless one of the dealerships actually, because we do have a couple of dealerships who are working with their local hog chapters or their local bike groups that are going to actually plan a ride from their location. So there may be escorts in those areas, but we won't have them for all of the stops. So with us, if you're riding with us the whole way, or even a portion of the way, it's going to be an open ride.
And we'll keep an eye. Yeah. We won't leave anybody behind. We
never do.
We know. We
Check
haven't
on a buddy.
yet. We have.
Check on a buddy.
We haven't yet. So, all right. We good?
I think we're good. Keep watching. because we're going to have lots more information coming up.
Yes, I've debated, this is news to her, but I've debated doing a live so that if anybody has individual questions, we can go into
We will
that.
do
But
that.
that'll be discussed later on. Now, if you're here for the giveaway, okay, 900 subscribers. We're a little late on doing this because we're actually at 925, but we was on vacation or somewhere in that range. But if you're here for the subscriber giveaway, what you need to do is go down in the comments down here and put in
Writing 22 in 22.
Now, here at the McStache channel, when we do our giveaways, we usually don't tell you what it is. It's all McStache related stuff, fun stuff. But we don't usually give away what's in the package. We just
We're still
give
not
you
going
the
to give it
package.
all away.
But we're not going to, we're not going to give it all away. But one thing that is in the package, I have been working with Daniel Smart. You guys know that. I know, I gotta get it, put it up here above it. But it is the Daniel Smart. I was looking for the price tag. It's a 3-bag
Magnetic.
magnetic clasp. It goes on the front by your windshield there, on your bat wing fairing. We don't want any of them street glide guys in here. No, if you want,
Kidding.
get in there. Go ahead and put 22 and 22. Sell on Craigslist. Sell on Facebook, dude. I got everything's right there. I got the package. I'll send it all to you. You can, if you want to, like that.
It could be a giant McStache.
But it is mustache shaped.
Yes.
That's why it's going in the bag. I got a hold of Daniel Smart and said, "Give me something mustache," and this is what they come up with. But no, it is sewn together. It's a nice piece. But okay, folks, so there you go. 22 and 22 down in the comments will get you in the giveaway. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you have a dealership, like for instance, I think they're on board. White Lightning, are they in Tennessee?
Tennessee.
they are not.
They're working with us, but we
Are they?
haven't.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. But I know for a fact, Ty from Tennessee, I'm calling another buddy of mine out. Ty from Tennessee has a excellent working relationship with White Lightning. So he could possibly go poke the bear a little bit for us and say, this guy is straight up, this guy's legit, if he would want to. So, yeah. Again, if you got any questions, let us know. If there's a dealership in your area you want to know about that we've contacted, let us know. If not, go knock on their door. I don't care. Harass them. They'll be all right.
We are going to do, just kind of flopping back a little bit to writing 22 and 22. There will be another video coming up soon. We're going to be meeting with the S.T.R.I.V.E organization on Wednesday. And we're going to do
Which is
a
tomorrow.
short... Nope.
Yeah, tomorrow. Wednesday's tomorrow.
Nope. Tomorrow's Tuesday.
This goes out on Tuesday.
Oh.
Tomorrow's Wednesday.
Wednesday, we're going to meet with... But it's not. Today is Monday.
But the video go out to... She don't know YouTube.
Anyway, we're going to meet with them. So we're going to do a short little video with S.T.R.I.V.E and have them tell us a little bit more about the organization and what they do to work with these veterans to prevent veteran suicide. So
From the
watch for
source.
that one too, directly from the source.
Yeah, directly from the source. People always say, "I love to see your mustache." I say, "You should see my wife." All right, folks, thanks for watching. Down in the comments if you want to get in this drawing. Like I said, tags are here.
Still in the box.
I got the box so that you can get away with still in the box.
Writing 22 and 22 in the comments.
Let's make it a big thing.
Yes.
I'd love to.
Let's blow that $22,000 out the water for our veterans.
Again, any questions, get a hold of me. Here's the email for 22 in 22. My email and mailing address and all that information is down in the information for this video. Thanks for watching, guys. I can't say it enough. My Patreon people, they're amazing. They help support our endeavors with
Local veterans.
with the local veterans Fisher House.
House. Mm-hmm.
So we want to thank them. We'll scroll them across the... Well, we've probably already done that. But Thank you so much, folks. Help us out with this. Before we get out of here, we're going to say what we want to say all the time.
Love on your family.
Check on a buddy.
And when you get back out there, keep it rubber side down.
Thanks for watching, folks. We'll see you in the next one.
Bye-bye.